Today, you will see how easy it is to draw pictures starting with a square. A square is a figure with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. You can draw a square any size you wish, large, medium, or small. The drawings which follow are very simple, and you can draw them with a pencil, pen, crayon, chalk, or brush and color. Let's draw a television set using this square to start. First, draw the screen, which is a rectangle inside the square. Now, 4 knobs. They are to control the picture and sound. Who's that on the screen? Why, it's little Willie. And what's he doing? He's catching a baseball. This is a model of the television set we have just drawn. Now watch carefully and see if the drawing looks like the model. Now we'll draw some building blocks. We will start with a small square. And then draw another square, the same size, right alongside. And now let's place a third block on top of the other 2. Right in the center. We will now decorate the blocks, which gives you a chance to show your lettering. The reason the models are shown is that we want you to compare the drawings with them. Watch carefully and you can tell if the drawing is correct. Let us draw a square and leave the bottom line out. Just add a line like this, and you have a chair. This is the chair. Is there anything you can think of that would be easier to draw? 4 lines, and it's a complete picture. A lamp is almost as easy to draw. Start with a large square. This will be the shade. Then a small square. This will be the base. And now, let us light the lamp. Just 2 squares and you have a picture of a lamp. There are lots of pictures you can draw just as easy as this. Have you ever drawn a checkerboard? It's not hard. Start with a large square, like this. Then draw 7 lines this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 lines this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will black in every second square starting here. Now jump one. Jump again. Now start on the second line and do the same thing. And presto, we have a checkerboard. You can make a real checkerboard just like this one and play checkers on it. It's easy to do and lots of fun. Now we will draw a square clock. You know how we'll start that. Then a small square inside the large square. A dot for the hands right in the center. Number 12 goes over the top line of the small square. Then 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Now the minute hand, which is the long hand, and the hour hand, which is the short hand. Using a square to start a drawing is like putting up the framework to start a building. This is a surprise drawing. First, a square. Then add a line like this. We won't tell you what this is until later. Now, a circle. It won't be long now. And here he is, Jack in the Box. This completes the lesson. It proves how easy it is to draw pictures starting with a square. We have shown you how to draw a television set, blocks, a chair, a lamp, a checkerboard, a square clock, and a jack-in-the-box. There are dozens and dozens of pictures you can draw starting with a square. Now put on your thinking cap. How many pictures can you draw starting with a square?